This is all really good, Henry. Um, One thing I will say is that I noticed there appears to be a gap in your experience here. Now, usually, we want applicants to have 2 years of entry level experience before they apply for a position like this. I'm also seeing here that there's no mention of language proficiency other than English. Is that correct? Well, it does say that you're a college student. Why don't you tell me about that?
Yeah. I'm a freshman. Um, and I moved to the city to study. I've never been here before. And I live 10 minutes away,
Alright.
actually.
Well, welcome to the city. What's your major?
I'm an arts major. I enjoy painting. I'm hopefully looking forward to.
Right, drawing pictures and stuff like that. That's cool. You know, I studied business in college, so I understand. Stress. Now, I had a job on campus, and that was great because the hours were good, and I didn't really have to be qualified at all. You should really look into something like that.
I like.
Well, now, I appreciate your interest. We get a lot of this application, but I expect your decision in 2 to 4 days. How many days do I got left? It's already 4.
God damn it. Yeah, yeah, it's getting late, so I'll talk to you soon. Okay. Yeah, yeah, love you too. Good night. Okay. Could have gone worse. No, we're not doing this tonight, okay? Just go away. It's fine. This is fine. I'm fine. This is fine. We're not doing this tonight. Can you please not do this tonight? Please. I'll figure it out. I have time. You're lying. We're not doing this tonight. This isn't... No, I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy.